Hi everyone, today I'm gonna explain about pulley. A pulley is a wheel and a rope used for lifting or moving objects with less effort. A pulley is designed to lift heavy loads. In villages, a pulley is used to lift water from the well. Here I have made a design of a well. This is the rope and this is the pulley. Inside there is the bucket, and inside the bucket there is a heavy load of water. So with the help of a pulley we can lift the heavy load of bucket easily. But if you want to lift this heavy load of bucket without a pulley, it will be hard. So pulley is designed to lift heavy loads. Thank you.